Hi, I'm Serena from thriftdiving.com. As a homeowner and DIY do-it-yourselfer, I'm always doing outdoor maintenance and projects myself, and that can be a lot of work. This HDX 2-gallon economy sprayer is perfect for everything from spraying pest control around the perimeter of your home to killing weeds and spraying fungicides and herbicides for lawn and garden use, and also for mild household cleaning, including applying mold and mildew removers or disinfecting surfaces. I actually used this in my driveway and it got my driveway very clean. This 2-gallon sprayer from HDX has a translucent polyethylene funnel top tank for monitoring the liquid level. Plus, with the top, you can easily be sure that it's going to be no spill. Please be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for what materials can be used in this 2-gallon pump sprayer. This sprayer is also available in a 1-gallon, so consider the types of spraying that you'll do around your home and then decide which size is best for you. The Comfort Grip handle makes it easy to hold and to use, and it's got 36 inches of braided reinforced hose for durability. And it also features a polyflow control that has a lock-on feature for the option of continuous spray. The wand is corrosion resistant, and it's a design nozzle system which sprays for accuracy to fit your spray needs. This 2-gallon HDS sprayer also features an automatic pressure relief valve for added safety. So when you're looking for an effective way to accurately spray pest control products, lawn and garden herbicides and fungicides, or to disinfect or clean surfaces, consider this 2-gallon HDX economy sprayer, and you can find it only at the Home Depot.